Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use custom audience in Facebook ads. So for this, I'm editing the ad here. So here we have this option of Advantage Audience. So here you need to scroll down and click on Show More. So now click on Create New and go to Custom Audience. And from here, you can customize your audience like we want website, and then meta resources, we want Facebook page and also Instagram account and video. So click on next. So now you can choose engagement type, so people who have viewed at least 3 seconds for your video. Okay, I will go with the minimum. Then people who have viewed 10 seconds of your video, 3 to 10 seconds. Then audience retention for 365 days. You can edit the audience name here. So let's add it to custom audience. And the description is optional. You can skip it. Okay, so now here you need to add videos. Once you add all the videos here, then click on create audience, and in this way you can customize your audience here. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.